another. I'm sure I must be nearly there. Yes, this is it. This is my place. If I can just keep going a little bit longer, I'll soon be home and dry. Look at this place. Just look at it, Weasel.
Doesn't get any better.
I don't know what you're laughing at. How many more homes have we lost today, Owl?
Half a dozen semi-detached burrows, 3 fully furnished squirrel holes, and at least 15 immaculately kept nests. Oh, 16.
Chopping away at us every day. Still they're not satisfied.
Oh, don't look now. They'll be on us any minute, any second.
Our days are numbered.
Won't be long now, won't be long now that they've filled in the pond.
Not Farthingwood Pond.
Correct.
Our last remaining watering hole.
Hard luck on the ducks. But we're all right. We've still got the stream.
Don't you mean the muddy trickle, hmm?
Dear, oh dear. It's not a party, Weasel.
Isn't an assembly a bit drastic?
If this isn't drastic,
Exactly.
then what is?
But a farthingwood assembly, Fox? Why, we haven't had one of those in years. They're only ever called when there's
Emergency?
And I'd call this an emergency.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
Not to put too fine a point on it, without water, we animals of Farthingwood are hardly likely to survive.
Here, here.
I mean, if you wouldn't call that an emergency, what would you call it? Alice?
Very funny.
But if you don't mind my asking, what'll having some assembly achieve?
What can we mere animals do?
I'm not sure yet, but I reckon that if you and me and Badger and Weasel can get every single member of our woodland community together fast, then maybe one of us might come up with
A solution?
Clever clogs, clever clogs.
Fox is absolutely right, you know, everyone. One just can't panic. No. One really has to roll up one's fur and do something.
Right.
Of course, persuading our not altogether harmonious population to attend such an assembly will not be what you'd call easy. However, I'm sure you'll sort it out, Badger.
Yes, huh? What? Who? Me?
Who better?
Well, that's awfully decent of you, Fox, but,
I mean, after all, you know every one of us hereabouts, don't you?
Biggest busybody in the wood.
shut up, Weasel.
And everybody knows you. So?
Oh, absolutely, Fox. Yeah, just leave, all the, arrangements, to me, hmm?
That's my Badger. Knew I could rely on you.
Well, don't just stand there dithering as usual, Rabbit. Off you go, and
Don't panic.
And alert Hare, of course. And as for you, Hedgehog, old chap, just roll yourself up and roll yourself off and start looking for the newts.
Right you are, Badger. Sorry, Weasel.
Mole? Did you say mole? Well, he'll soon come scurrying once he hears all the commotion.
What are you going to tell them, Badger?
Tell them? Tell everyone we're to meet at, my place.
Your set?
And what is wrong with my set, Weasel?
Oh, nothing, Badger. Nothing at all. Only,
Get to the point, Weasel.
Well, it's all right for you and me and the shrews and the field mice. We're creatures of the underground, right? We're used to it. Only
Only what?
the birds ain't gonna like it much, are they, Badger? Imagine Owly and Kestrel. They aren't gonna like it, are they?
Yes, well, it won't be for long. And I'm sure they'll realize it's, in a good cause.
Okay.
Well, don't just stand around, Weasel. Make yourself useful.
Me?
Let's go and alert a few voles. And so, Mrs. Vole, Fox and I are agreed that the situation we are facing is so severe as to merit a meeting.
What's he doing on about? He's worried whether you're eating.
Oh, shut up. We're having a meeting in my chambers.
I eat where I like.
A meeting at...
Sunset.
And please, don't be late, Mrs. Vole, and tell the others.
Bring your brothers.
And tell all the field mice.
And tell all the shrews. Okie dokie. Sunset. 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 Sunset.
Is there anyone at all we've forgotten, Weasel?
There is.
Yes?
Your friend and mine.
Oh, yes. Well, make sure you impress upon her that we haven't called this meeting so she can gorge herself on everyone present.
You'll be lucky. Now what you doing, Badger?
Why, enlarging my set, of course. We've a lot of woodlanders coming this evening, you know, Weasel. So make yourself useful.
How, Badger?
Why, by collecting a few glowworms, of course.